Welcome to the series of video belonging to the e-learning course and Toolbox Solar Powered Irrigation Systems. We are here at the laboratory of Westphalia University in Zuderburg, northern Germany. My name is Tao, and in this video we want to show you some of the features of a positive displacement pump. This is an example pump from the Future Pump company, and they are working as a surface pump, and you will see how they function and how they are used. A positive displacement pump moves water by active pushing. It's like a car engine cylinder, and discharge it into a riser pipe. A more common name is piston pump and/or membrane pump. Here you can see the Future pump, also called SF2 solar irrigation pump. You can see the slow motion up and down movement of the piston rod. The Future pump is a surface suction pump inside a steel frame like a cage, where the DC motor, the pump unit and the drive flywheel is installed as one unit. The motor control is part of the unit and inside the socket box. The maximum voltage is 60 VDC, and the DC motor can deliver at its peak 300 watt. At working conditions, the rotational speed of the flywheel is between 100 to 250 rotations per minute. Water filters are connected at the input and output to protect the pump system. The Future pump comes with a kit together with foldable solar panel, spare parts, 6-meter suction pipe with 31.8 mm diameter, and a sprinkler kit with 3 pieces of swivel sprinkler, a PVC riser and a hose connectors. The reciprocating piston pump consists of a moving plunger with an inlet and outlet valve. If the plunger is moving down, the suction valve is open and the cylinder filled with water. Moving upwards, it lifts its volume of water and generates the pressure. While pushing the water into the pressure hose, as long as the pressure valve is open, driven is this by a flywheel with an excenter, which converts the circular motion into a stroke action. Power is this by the DC motor with 2 different wheels diameters attached on the top of the flywheels. The pulley gear must be selected due to the pressure head, diameter 90 mm for 1 to 8 meter, and diameter of 50 mm for a pressure higher than 8 meter. The max pressure is 15 meter and the maximum suction lift is 7 meter. Several piston sealing rings and valves are part of the spare part kit, because if dirty surface water is used, wear and tear will ask for periodical exchange. The Future pump is especially made for small holders. Around 0.5 hectare can be irrigated with this pump. You need an open water source or well nearby with a water table not lower than 7 meter or better less below the pump inlet. This solar pump system is robust and simple to be used. The suction hose must be equipped with a check valve and a metal strainer to avoid particles to enter the pump. Piston pump have by nature a high suction, self-priming ability, but in any case it must be filled with water before starting. Please use a small bucket and fill the pump via pressure hose.
SunCulture Rainmaker 2 is out, and we are excited to share the new features with you. Our new Rainmaker 2 submersible solar pump draws water from a depth of 70 meters and can pump up to 3,000 liters per hour. It comes with 50 meters of electrical cable and a nylon rope to secure the pump. We have upgraded the solar panels to 160 watts to deliver more power to your pump and battery pack. Our most exciting upgrade is our new Climate Smart battery pack, which has GSM connectivity for remote monitoring, lithium-ion batteries for extended lifetime and productivity, and power outputs that support light and cell phone charging. The system now comes with a home lighting kit that is used with the battery pack to light up your household. We have included 100 meters of 25 mm HDPE piping and the necessary connectors. The sprinklers we provide enable you to irrigate with the push of a button while you do other activities.